Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 16 of loving my minis in February. Super excited to get started. I have my $8 today. Day 16, 1, 2, 3, and 5. So we're gonna get this in our bank. How are you doing? How was your weekend? I'm very excited because I got to meet Kimmy and Grease from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner. That was fun. They're in Vegas for a few days, so did that. Had a wonderful little quick getaway with Babe. So I did have to postpone my launch that it was supposed to be last night. I was waiting on some dice that didn't come in till Saturday, and there was just a couple other things that I didn't like how they looked. So I was like, you know what? I can give myself a few more days. I'm the boss, and hopefully everyone will be okay with waiting a few more days for a few of the items. So yeah, so that new launch will be Friday, 9 a.m. Pacific. So I guess that would be 12 noon Eastern. So, all right. So we are starting at number 6. I've got my D3. I've got my $8 worth of prop coins. And my whole goal with working on my minis every day is to really just get through my stash of minis that I've had for a few years. And I thought this would be a really fun way to do it. So we're going to start with 3 on 6, 2 on 7, 2, you can't really see it, 2 on 8, 2 on 1, all right, I see we're going to do a lot of 2s, 2 for 2, 3 for 3, love it, makes me happy, 4 is getting 3, nice, 2 for 5, back where we started, we're going to add 1, and then 3 for 7, 8 is 1, 2, and 3, so we still have 2 left. So let's go back to 1, and we will get both of those, and we will start again on number 2 tomorrow. All right, so let's get this all situated. Today it's supposed to be a little cool and cloudy, maybe some rain, which we always need here in Vegas. All right, so number 1 needed 50 cents. All right, so we'll take these 2 away. Let me grab my markers here. So 25 and 50. And this one is from Lindsay over at Bookish Mama Budgets. We have our little roll and save, which we actually just did for 25 cents each. And then we can put in a new one and add 50 cents. What's back here? Oh, this super pretty one, Beach Days. This is from Margie over at the Budget Evolution. This will save us $5, and we can do 2 boxes. All right, so we started this one off with 50 cents. That'll save 5. I think I just said that. All right, number 2 got 75 cents. And this one is from 4 Dizzy Birds, so we can color in 3 more circles. Okay, so that is set for that. We already finished one. That's so cool. All right, so we have $1 for number 3. And we can do a whole nother row on this one. This one is from Bella over at Saving Made Simple. All right, this one will save us $6 when we are done. All right, and then number 4, looks like number 4 got $1. Okay, so number 4 got $1, so we can do 4 boxes. This one is from Becca Budget 777. that was that. We finished all of these. All right, number 5 got 75 cents. This one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets, and I was laughing because my circles that I colored in, you couldn't quite tell, so I X'd through them. So we can do 3 more. So 1, 2, and 3. So cute. Look at that little bow. This will save us $3 when we are done. All right, we got $1 going into number 6. And we needed 25 cents. Perfect. This is $2. This is from Savings with Tracy. So we have 75 cents to go into this one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do 3 circles. All right. I can't believe, so we finished 2. We've had a really good streak here in February. Just had the one day we didn't finish one. All right, so we have $1.25 going into number 7. Ooh, we can do that in a whole row. We're getting so close on this one from the Dramatic Panda. Don't look back. The past is exactly where it belongs. Okay. Oh my gosh. So exciting. And I did decide to do this through March. I probably will do the whole year, but I'm still going to take it month by month because you never know when things pop up, and I'm taking it kind of month by month with my finances. And ooh, we just needed 25 cents for the one from Dawn. Yay. This one saved us $5. Okay, perfect. So that goes there. We have $1 that we get to put into a new one. What is this one? This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. We can do 1 whole row. What color should I do? Should I do this one again? All right. Be Merry saves $4, and we filled in $1 worth. So fantastic. We finished 3. So we have 2, 4, and 5. So that's $9 we can take out of our bank. Let's put our prop coins back first. Okay, and then $9. So we can do 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Great. And then we'll go back here and we can put our $9 in our completed. Doing the left, right, center with this money at the end of the month, I'm so excited. Part of it's going to go into spending money. Part of it's going to go into my bee binder, and the other part will go into my shark binder. So I'm very excited about that. And we get to add 3 completed challenges to this guy. Pat that in there. All right, day 16 in the books. And I will see you tomorrow for day 17. I hope you come back and see how I do. Hope you guys are doing really well, and I hope you have a fantastic week ahead. And until next time, take care. Bye.